Hello Libra, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang inyong romantic connection between you and your new person, or the person that you are currently dealing with, or the returning person in your life. Let's see what's happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much Libra. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Ano yung mga energies na nag-linger sa love situation ng mga Libra. Libra, please. Show off, needs to prove themselves, insecure, exhibitionist, okay? Merong energy ng insecurities in the relationship, okay? Parang may kailangan patunayan. Okay. Childish, someone has to be the adult in the room. Maybe the terms should be grow up or get out. Okay? May kailangan i-bring up na communication in the relationship. Someone has to be the adult in the room. Merong agreement na kailangan pag-usapan. Okay? Merong someone na kailangan i-prove yung sarili, ang kanyang sincerity, ang kanyang truthfulness, ang kanyang commitment, okay? Dark side. Your dark side keeps you from enjoying the love you have. Don't let it steal your joy. Okay. May energy na parang merong hindi ina-express. Maraming gumugulo sa isip. Okay? Na kailangan i-communicate. Otherwise, magsasuffer ang relationship. Okay? Kailangan yung totoong saya or joy in the relationship. But then, hindi yan magawa. It's because merong kailangang i-communicate or express sa person. Merong pag-iisa, nag-iisip ng hindi maganda. Someone is in darkness, okay? Needs ng enlightenment in the situation. Let's see yung energies from the tarot. Energies from the tarot for Libra, please. Energies from the tarot for Libra. Okay. Mayroong toxicity in the relationship na kailangan i-overcome. Someone is keep on thinking negatively on the situation. The Fool. You are showing that everything is okay, Libra. Okay, your intention is to free yourself, to express yourself from your person. Okay, there is a demon inside you. In a sense na hindi ka makapag-isip ng maayos. Parang ang toxic ng inyong situation. Feeling mo hindi ka makalabas or makawala sa isang situation, sa isang mahirap na situation, Libra. You just want to have freedom. Okay? Or this is your person, it's the other way around. Gusto ng person ninyo na maging free ang inyong situation in a sense na he or she can communicate freely. Merong freedom sa relationship ninyo. Walang tinatago, okay? Walang dark side or na-express yung dark side or yung nararamdaman sa isa't isa. Whatever the problem is, your person wants you to communicate it. Okay? Or maybe this is the other way around. Okay. Yung person ninyo is nagbibigay ng liwanag sa inyo. Parang siya yung nagbibigay ng solusyon or kaliwanagan sa inyong situation, Libra. Parang siya yung sunshine ng buhay ninyo and yun yung pinapakita sa inyo ng person ninyo. Okay? Your person feels that you are not doing well. Okay? Merong unhealthy situation sa inyo, unhealthy habits or activities na nangyayari. How do you feel this person? Okay. You feel that your person is parang nalulungkot, nangihinayang, merong regrets, iniisip ko ano yung nangyayari sa situation ninyo. He or she is crying. Pero parang hindi niya rin alam kung ano yung gagawin. Gusto niyang lumabas sa situation ng pagiging sad. Okay? That's why he or she is showing you na everything is okay. But deep inside, he or she is suffering emotionally. This challenge. Parang kailangan nyo ibalik yung tiwala sa isa't isa. Your person is your best friend, Libra. He or she is loyal. He or she wants you to open up. Kung ano yung situation mo, kung anong nangyayari sa inyo. Mapagkakatiwalaan ninyo ang person ninyo, Libra. Okay? And this is the challenge kasi parang merong nangyayari sa inyo na parang hindi mo ma-express or masabi. And this is the challenge. This is the obstacle. So, ang result is merong disappointments and sadness, walang clarity sa situation because someone is keeping an information, a secret in the situation. Okay? Your person deserves to know what is happening. Ikaw lang din ang nagpapasaya sa person mo. Okay? But something is troubling him or her. Okay? Parang nalulungkot siya sa sitwasyon ninyo. Kailangan ng clarity, kailangan ng communication, ilabas yung kailangang ilabas para maintindihan ka ng iyong person. Your person is showing you magandang intention sa inyo ng person mo. Gusto niya maging transparent ka. Free ang communication sa inyong dalawa. Walang control issues. Okay? Believe in the relationship. Believe in the situation, Libra. Okay? There is fear, insecurities in the situation. Mahal yung isa't isa pero hindi nasasabi. Okay? Yeah, kailangan i-revive, ibalik yung confidence sa isa't isa, yung confidence sa relationship. Okay? Magtiwala. Okay? Kailangan liwanagin kung ano yung issue sa inyong situation. Do what you think is right to keep the relationship, Libra. Keep fighting, keep believing. Okay? Okay? Keep the faith in the relationship. Everything will be okay. Let go of the past issues. Heal yourself. Okay? You can trust your person, Libra. Or this is the other way around. Okay? Kayo lang yung nakakaintindi sa inyong situation. Pero ito yung mga energies na lumalabas para sa inyo. Let's see kung ano pa yung mga messages for you, Libra. Libra. Your person is showing that everything is okay. Okay, na parang walang problema, okay lang, masaya and all that. But deep inside, may kailangang harapin. Okay? Balance. Love is not always about agreeing just for the sake of it. A great relationship is one that both supports and challenges. Okay? Kailangan ng balance sa situation. Kailangan ng transparency to have that balance. Okay? When it comes to matters of the heart, there is no right or wrong. Every choice you make expands your understanding of life and love. Let there be closeness between you, but always give each other space. Love never claims, it simply allows and gives. Okay? So that's the message for you, Libra. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!